If you're planning to take test on 3rd December, then this video is for you. Before getting started, let me tell you something. This is just a guesswork. Prediction is a secondary thing. We should focus on preparation first. Although it is a different thing that most of the time my prediction comes true. This is Japneet, welcome back, and let's jump straight to the video. So, it is just an academic test on 3rd December, so you need not worry. One more thing, it is the first test of the month. It's gonna be something different. Our first module is listening. The level of listening module will be between easy and moderate, considering November's first test. Number of multiple choice questions will be around 15. 10 questions in one part and 5 to 7 questions in another part. How can we improve our listening? I have made quite a few videos on the improvement in listening part. Visit my channel and you'll get everything for free. Our next module is reading. Of course, I'm not a kind of person who's gonna demotivate you कि reading की preparation मुश्किल होती है and all that. No, that's not the case. Reading preparation can also be done in just a week. You can have a look at the video available on my channel. Okay, now let's talk about its level. I personally don't think that it will be easy this time. The level will be between easy and moderate. So start preparing today. How? Do check out 1 week schedule. Link is in description. Okay, here comes task 1. I will suggest you 3 task 1 types and the chances are high that one of these tasks will come in this test. The first one is bar, the line chart, and the third one is pie. Okay. As you know, links of important videos are available in the description box. You can go and check those videos out. Moving to the task 2. So this time I'm suggesting you 2 task types. The first one is agree or disagree, and the second is discuss both views. It will be easy, don't worry. Start preparing today and keep supporting, guys. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section and do share. Thank you.